Welcome to WizKids TV. Today we're going to learn about Australian animals. This is a platypus. A platypus is a unique animal that has duck bill, beaver-like tail, and webbed feet. They're the only mammals that lay eggs. A female platypus has a special milk patch on her abdomen to provide milk for her young. Platypus are also semi-aquatic, that means they love spending time on land and in the water. Let's give them a good scrub. Let's give him a wash now. We have to make sure he's nice and clean. Let's see what animal we have next. Can you have a guess? Do you know any animals that are native to Australia? That's right, kangaroos are native to Australia. This is a mommy kangaroo. It has a baby inside her pouch. Kangaroos are marsupials. Kangaroos are well known for their hopping locomotion, in which their strong hind legs propel them forward at high speeds. Let's give her a good scrub. She's all nice and clean. And so is her baby. Let's see what other animals there are. Do you know what this animal is? This is a frilled-neck lizard. When threatened, these lizards open their mouth, exposing the large frill around their neck to appear larger and more intimidating to predators. Frilled-neck lizards are excellent climbers, and they can run on their hind legs. They're native to Australia. Let's give them a good scrub. We have to make sure he's very clean. Now that he's all clean, let's see what other animals there are. This bird is called an emu. Emus are the tallest bird species in Australia and the second largest bird in the world. They have rudimentary wings that are used for balance and display, but they are unable to fly. Emus have incredible adaptability to different habitats and can withstand extreme temperatures and long periods without water. He's all nice and clean. Let's see what animal we're going to wash next. This is also another bird. This bird is called a cockatoo. They are colorful parrots that belong to a group of birds known for their prominent crests and ability to mimic sound. They are also native to Australia and often kept as pets due to their playful and sociable nature. Let's give him a good scrub. Look how clean he is. Let's see what animal we're going to wash next. This is a lizard, also known as the blue-tongued skink. The blue-tongued lizard is a type of lizard that is named after its bright and blue tongue, which they display as a defense mechanism. They have a slow-moving, lumbering gait and are commonly found in Australia and New Guinea. Blue-tongued skinks are omnivores and feed on both plant matter and small animals. Let's give them a good scrub. Look how clean he is. Let's see what animal we're going to watch next. Do you know what this animal is? That's right, this is a koala. Koalas are arboreal marsupials that spend most of their time in eucalyptus trees, feeding on the leaves. Despite their appearance, they are not bears and are in fact marsupials. They love to sleep. Let's give her a good scrub. She's all nice and clean. Let's see what animal is next. This animal is called the Tasmanian devil. It is native to the island of Tasmania in Australia and is known for its fierce and aggressive behavior. They are the largest carnivore marsupials in the world. They also have a very strong jaw and a powerful bite. Let's give them a good scrub. All nice and clean. Let's see what animal is next. Do you know what this animal is? It looks like a dog. This is a dingo. Dingoes are wild dogs that are believed to have been introduced to Australia thousands of years ago. They have adapted to various habitats, including the desert, grasslands, and forests. Let's give them a good scrub. Dingoes are also skilled hunters. He's all nice and clean. Let's see what animal is next. Do you know what this animal is? That's right, this is a saltwater crocodile. It is the largest living reptile and can be found in the coastal regions of Australia. They are excellent swimmers and are known for the ability to leap out of water and catch their prey. It is a very dangerous predator. Let's give him a good scrub. He's all nice and clean. Let's see what animal we have next. This is a parrot. Parrots are highly intelligent birds, known for their ability to mimic human speech and sound. They have the strongest beaks designed for eating seeds, fruits, and nuts. Let's give them a good scrub. Parrots are highly social animals and can bond very closely with their owners. Look how clean he is. Do you know what this bird is called? This bird is called a currawong. This bird is native to Australia and is known for its loud and distinctive call that sounds like a currawong. These birds are omnivores. They love to eat insects, fruits, berries, and even garbage. They're very skilled nest builders. Look how clean he is. Can you tell me what the next animal is? This is an echidna. Echidnas have spines all over their back and are known for their unique appearance. They use their long snout and sticky tongue to feed on ants and termites. Look how clean he is. Let's see what we have next. This is another bird. This is called a kookaburra. They are known for their distinctive laughing call, which sounds like a human laughter. They are carnivore birds that feed on a variety of small animals, mice, lizards, insects, and even snakes. Wow! The next animal we have is a wombat. Wombats are also marsupials and are also native to Australia and live in burrows known as wombat tunnels. Wombats are herbivores and primarily feed on grass, roots, and bark. They have short legs which are built for digging. He's so clean. This is a baby koala. Baby koalas are also called joey. They're the size of a jelly bean when they're born. Let's give her a good scrub. She's all nice and clean. The last animal we have is a baby kangaroo. A baby kangaroo is also called a joey. They like to spend time in their mother's pouches. They feel safe and comfortable in the pouch. Let's give him a good scrub. He's all nice and clean. Thank you so much for learning the Australian animals with me. We had so much fun learning. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.